mega chapter of Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority in Orange Park, Florida. And I came to the summit, the symposium, and the first session that I went to was the ChatGPT, and I'm blown away. I'm blown away by the young children, the young people that were teaching the class, and let us know that you can do this, that, and other thing with the ChatGPT, along with other types of AI that are out there. So I have it on my phone. When I go home, I'm going to download it on my laptop because I have so many things that I need to do using it, and I want to start getting better with using it. And they said you need to be very specific about what you want. So yeah, I think I'll be up to like 3-4 o'clock in the morning just working on it, and then when I get up in the morning at 7 o'clock, we're going to work on it again. So I'm really happy to be here because I'm learning a lot from the youngsters. Yeah.